Still struggling with everyday cooking problems? These smart kitchen gadgets make prep faster, cooking easier, and even save valuable counter space. But wait for number 9. This one solves a problem you probably have.
Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Open any jar or bottle effortlessly with the electric jar opener featuring power clamp technology. It automatically tightens for a secure grip, then opens with ease, perfect for seniors, arthritis, or weak hands. Its 2-in-1 design includes both auto and manual twist options for full control. Plus, the included rubber gripper pad adds extra convenience. At just $34.97, it's the smart, stress-free solution for any kitchen. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the SunCleanse roll-up dish drying rack, just $9. This foldable over-the-sink design saves counter space while quickly drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. Heat-resistant, durable, and easy to roll up for storage, it's the perfect smart solution for everyday kitchen convenience. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Cook anywhere with the Ovent electric countertop single burner. With 1000 W power, a durable 6-inch stainless steel coil, and 5-level temperature control, it's perfect for quick meals. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small spaces, dorms, or travel cooking. Maximize your storage with this 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer. Featuring a 2-in-1 design for wall mount or hanging use, adjustable baskets, and sturdy construction, it keeps spices, snacks, and essentials neatly organized, perfect for kitchen cabinets, doors, or closets. Season your meals effortlessly with this electric salt and pepper grinder set. Featuring a rechargeable base, automatic operation, and adjustable coarseness for perfect flavor every time. With LED light and large capacity, it's convenient, stylish, and ideal for any kitchen. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Enjoy fresh juice anytime with this electric citrus juicer. Featuring a rechargeable design with USB charging, one-touch operation, and automatic squeezing for oranges, lemons, limes, and more. Compact and portable, it comes with a cleaning brush for easy cleanup, fresh, healthy juice made simple. Mash with power and precision using the Joyeldelf heavy-duty potato masher, just $10. Built with durable stainless steel and a comfortable silicone handle, it effortlessly crushes potatoes, beans, vegetables, and more. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for smooth, delicious results every time. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this bamboo pots and pans organizer. Expandable and adjustable, it neatly holds pot lids, bakeware, cutting boards, and trays. Durable, space-saving, and stylish. Perfect for keeping your cabinets clean and clutter-free. Peel smarter with the Joseph Switch 2-in-1 potato peeler. Easily switch between straight and julienne stainless steel blades for perfect prep every time. Compact, efficient, and dishwasher safe. Your quick kitchen essential. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack pizza plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Make perfect pasta every time with the Glixseal wooden spaghetti measuring tool. Designed with 4 portion holes, it helps you control serving sizes quickly and easily, reducing waste and overcooking. Simple, lightweight, and durable, it's a must-have kitchen accessory for everyday cooking. At just $6.59, it's an affordable way to bring precision to your pasta nights. Elevate your kitchen with the FYGO Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser Set. Each 350 milliliters glass bottle comes with a pourer and funnel for precise, mess-free pouring. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or dressings, this stylish two-piece set combines functionality and elegance for everyday cooking and serving. Slice with precision using this stainless steel onion holder, just $10. Designed with sharp prongs for secure grip, it helps you cut perfect, even slices every time while keeping your fingers safe. Ideal for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more, it's a simple tool that makes prep faster and easier. Pour batter with precision using the 800 milliliters stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time. Keep your pantry neat with the Utopia Shelf Bin Packet Organizer. This 4-tier, stair-step bin holds tea bags, medicine, and more, keeping items visible and accessible. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic. Perfect for kitchen cabinets and organized storage. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Cook with Color Nesting Bowl set. This 8-piece set includes mixing bowls, a colander, sifter, and measuring cups, all in a space-saving nesting design. Stylish and mint and easy to use, it makes cooking, baking, and organizing simple and efficient. Create delicious egg bites, muffins, and snacks with Gawkins silicone egg bite molds. This 2-pack set features 14 cups, heat-resistant, flexible silicone for easy release, and secure lids for convenient storage. Perfect for baking, freezing, and meal prep, your versatile kitchen essential for quick, homemade treats. Make delicious churros at home with the Need Eat Churro Maker Kit. Featuring a booster-powered handle, churrera, and piping bag for easy filling. Comes with a QR recipe guide. Perfect for homemade churros, cookies, and fun, creative baking anytime. Meet the Black Plus Decker 1.5-cup electric food chopper, compact, fast, and easy to use. With a 150W motor and stay-sharp blade, it chops ingredients in seconds using one-touch pulse control. Perfect for small prep tasks, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. All this convenience for just $16.99. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the Nespresso City Z espresso machine by DeLonghi. Its sleek design, fast heat-up, and one-touch operation deliver rich, flavorful espresso in seconds, perfect for elevating your daily coffee routine. Spread butter effortlessly with the Chef Master stainless steel butter spreader dispenser. Holds up to 3 sticks, 55 ounces, and features a smooth roller for buns, bread, griddles, and flat tops. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, mess-free serving. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker sandwich press. With 1200W power, it easily makes waffles, sandwiches, and paninis. The removable non-stick plates ensure quick cleanup, while 5-gear temperature control gives perfect results every time. With handy indicator lights and a sleek red design, it's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Create perfect pizzas every time with the Blue Pizza Dough Docker. This handy roller with spikes evenly pierces dough to prevent air bubbles and blistering during baking. Easy to use and durable, it's a must-have tool for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Smooth, even crusts made simple. Make perfect rotis in seconds with a Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Keep your kitchen clean and eco-friendly with a Lalaster compost bin. This 3L countertop bin features a secure lid to trap odors and a compact design perfect for RVs, offices, or homes. Hang or place it anywhere to easily collect food scraps and make composting simple and convenient. Simplify cooking with the Utensil Stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands from multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen Electric Shabu Shabu Pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable non-stick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Coviet 25-in-1 bread maker, just $119. Featuring an automatic dual dispenser and multiple settings for gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and more, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 2 lb capacity and sleek stainless steel design, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious, bakery-quality creations at home. Enjoy refreshing frozen treats at home with this snow cone machine. Powered by a 300W motor with 2000 R/min speed, it quickly crushes ice using sharp stainless steel blades for smooth shaved ice. Perfect for making snow cones, slushies, and icy desserts in seconds. It also includes a free ice pick and ice cube tray, making it a convenient and fun addition to any kitchen. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Protect your hands with Dowalife cut-resistant gloves. Featuring food-grade level 5 protection, they offer superior safety for slicing, chopping, oyster shucking, and more. Comfortable, durable, and breathable, they provide a secure grip, perfect for chefs and home cooks alike. Serve snacks in style with the Dowan 360 degrees rotatable serving tray. This 12-inch set features 7 removable, divided bowls perfect for chips, dip, fruits, veggies, candy, and more. Rotatable and easy to access, it's ideal for parties, gatherings, or everyday kitchen use, combining convenience and elegant presentation. Slice pizza effortlessly with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel, just $9. This heavy-duty slicer features a sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic non-slip grip for smooth, controlled cuts every time. Complete with a protective blade cover and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect simple tool for any pizza night. Make perfect eggs every time with the Techa frittata and omelette pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea, quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Upgrade your kitchen in seconds with this 2-pack expandable pull-out cabinet organizer. Designed for 21-inch deep cabinets, it features smooth triple-slide rails for effortless access. The adjustable width fits cabinets from 12 to 20.4 inches, while the raised pad ensures stability, even in framed cabinets. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and enjoy a clutter-free space. Smart storage made simple. Organize your kitchen with a Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Control your cooking with precision using the Yaramate 2-in-1 oil sprayer, just $9. This 16-ounce dark amber glass bottle blocks light to keep oil fresh while offering both spray and pour functions. Perfect for air frying, barbecue, and everyday cooking, it's a simple, mess-free way to use just the right amount every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Organize your kitchen like a pro with the Ordora 8-tier pots and pans organizer. Featuring adjustable tiers and 3 DIY setup options, it neatly stores cookware of all sizes. Built for cabinets with a sturdy design, it maximizes space and keeps everything easily accessible. Smart, flexible storage made simple. Create fresh, dairy-free milk at home with the new 8-in-1 nut milk maker, just $89.99. From almond to oat, soy to coconut, enjoy smooth, plant-based drinks in minutes. With delay start, self-cleaning, a built-in frother, and 50 recipes included, it's your all-in-one solution for healthy, homemade beverages. Slice pizza like a pro with the Kitchen Star 16-inch rocker blade cutter, just $25. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel design delivers clean, effortless cuts in one smooth motion. The large size handles big pizzas with ease, while the protective cover and dishwasher-safe build make it safe and convenient for everyday use. Protect your countertops with this 4-pack of silicone trivet mats. Heat-resistant and flexible, the 7-inch and 9 mats double as pot holders, jar openers, and hot pads. Durable and non-slip, they keep hot dishes safe while adding convenient, multifunctional use to your kitchen. Organize your spices in style with the Povinmo's 3-piece glass salt container set. Each 10-ounce jar features a sleek design, airtight lid, and a convenient retractable spoon for easy serving. Perfect for salt, sugar, herbs, and spices, keeping your kitchen neat and functional.